Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another unboxing. In front of me today, I have the HK MP5 chambered in 22 long rifle. The exact model that I have is the 16-inch rifle variant. They do have the pistol also if you're outside of the California, but the thing is California being California, they're not going to give us anything cool. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. So right away, we can see we have our owner's manual that comes with all the basic little tips, tools of how to operate the gun. If you want to flip through it, or if you want further in depth, I'm sure you can get it on the HK website. Up next, we have our standard lock, and it looks like a little wrench for potentially working on the rifle if you need to do any kind of little tweaks or adjustments. The rifle does come with one magazine, which is a little bit unfortunate, and they are hard to come by. But the cool thing is it has this nice little mechanism right here, which is like a speed loader, so that way you can get more rounds in. And unfortunately, this is a 10-round magazine because California caps you out at 10, because obviously if you have 25 rounds of 22 long rifle, you're up to no good. Now, enough teasing with the BS. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes. This is what you came here for. This is the puppy you wanted to see. So this is a California compliant version, and it is the 16-inch variant. Again, nice little safety, has a nice little feel to it. It's got a collapsible stock, which is nice to have. It kind of gives you a little bit of an actual feel for it. You pull that up and you can collapse it as well. And also it has this fake-looking suppressor on the front, which actually makes it a little bit cooler. And you get that nice MP5 slap. All in all, just a beautiful rifle. I'm very excited. It does have irons on it. There's no rail on it at the moment, but you can get a rail mounting system to put a red dot on it. And you can get an upgraded handguard and everything like that. I'm very excited to take this guy out to the range. Please let me know if you want to see more content like this. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.